Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to make a quick, easy, delicious breakfast in 10 minutes without stove. So let's get started. For this recipe, we need fresh coconut. I've taken a box of fresh grated coconut. Coconut milk is loaded with many types of vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that promote our overall health. It's rich in antioxidants. It helps combat diabetes, high source of good fats. Fresh coconut is always better. Add half a cup of warm water while grinding. Now grind into a fine paste. Now add a cup of warm water to extract the milk. Pour into a sieve and press well. This is the first extraction. This is the one we need for the recipe. Do not discard it. Extract the second milk. This is the second extraction. It's a thin milk. You can use this for other dishes. We need the first milk for this recipe. I've taken red flattened rice. It's also called Poha or Aval, 2 handful. 2 teaspoons of palm sugar. You can use honey instead of sugar. Nuts of your choice. And some fruits. I've taken mixed berries. Wash and add poha to a bowl. Preferably red poha is good. If you don't have red, you can use white also. It has a lot of fiber in it. Add 2 teaspoons of palm sugar, a pinch of salt. Coconut milk boosts your metabolism and helps you feel fuller for a longer time. Add coconut milk according to your requirement. Mix all of this very well and set aside for about 2 minutes. I'm adding almond slices. You can use any nuts or dry fruits. Add any fruit of your choice. Now a healthy breakfast is ready. Do try this recipe at home. Share with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. Have a great and healthy day and stay safe.